New Zealand Job Seeker Visa Guide, your complete step-by-step plan for working in Aotearoa. First, confirm you meet New Zealand's core eligibility requirements for the job seeker visa. Check your age and nationality. Applicants are usually between 18 and 35 years old, depending on your country. You must show evidence of enough funds to support your stay in New Zealand. A recent medical exam or health certificate is often required as part of your application. Police clearance. You may need to show you have no major criminal record. Gather all required documents before starting your online application to avoid delays later. Go to the official New Zealand immigration website and create a secure online account. Fill out the job seeker visa application form accurately. Double-check all information for errors. Pay the required application fee securely through the online platform before submitting your documents. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation email from New Zealand Immigration. Monitor your inbox regularly. In Auckland, attend job fairs and register with recruitment agencies to boost your chances of finding work. In Wellington, use networking events and online platforms like LinkedIn to make local contacts and find leads. Expand your search to other cities, like Christchurch or Hamilton, to discover hidden job opportunities. Ready to start your New Zealand adventure? Your future in Aotearoa is waiting.